What's up, guys? I'm Brian.
And Nate.
Welcome to today's episode of Big South Outdoors TV. You're right. Today we're doing a cleanup. Fall has finally fell in the South.
We didn't get any autumn. We just had
we
straight up
went
fall.
straight from summer to fall. We had an extended period of summer. The leaves and the straw are falling heavy. So I decided we're going to get some video footage for you with Nate using the mower, mulching leaves, and me blowing pine straw. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be fun. Echo PB80 TNT don't play. There's a guy named J. Paul Getty. He had a principle of success. It's called work smarter, not harder, which means a lot of people doing a little bit, or when you have the means to, use something bigger. So that's what I'm fixing to show you. That's what's called working smarter, not harder. I could have moved that with the blower, but it would have taken me 30 to 40 minutes probably. I moved it with that machine in less than 5 minutes. There you go. All right, guys. Nate's in the back mulching up leaves. I'm fixing to go back there and let you see what he's doing back there. But this is the area where you saw me push all that heavy load of pine straw. As you can see, it's clean to the dirt. There's a few little leaves down, but that's coming out of the tree. But anyway, I'm just gonna stand here and be quiet a minute and let you see what Nate's doing back here. Well, what Nate's doing, you hear he's not got the mower revved real high. The reason that is because with those blades turning, mulching up the leaves, it will create so much wind up underneath that deck, it would just blow the leaves everywhere. So we idle it down and go real slow. It doesn't blow the leaves all the way back across the yard and gives them the blades time to mulch it up. We're about done with this one, guys. This is what it looks like. You hear Nate over there blowing the driveway. This is what it looks like, and I'm gonna walk down and show you the perspective from where we started so you'll know exactly what it looks like. This area here was covered in pine straw. There's no reason to show the back because, I mean, that was just leaves, and you saw what Nate was doing with that. That be her. That's going to do it for today's episode, guys. Like I said, fall has failed. From now till probably the end of December, we'll be doing leaf cleanup and pine straw cleanup and stuff like that, and then we switch gears into wintertime maintenance and things like that on our year-rounders. Don't forget, we got a t-shirt contest going on, guys. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and comment t-shirt, and that makes you eligible to enter the contest. We're coming down to the wire, guys. We're almost to the finish line. The drawing is Friday. We'll be announcing the winner Friday night at 6 o'clock. And so we'll be doing a live stream. It's not too late to get in on the giveaway. Be sure and click the like button to like this video, and click the subscribe button. And when you do that, if you're new to the channel especially, comment t-shirt and also click the notification bell so you don't miss any content. This is Brian with Big South Outdoors TV saying always remember to live big, live southern, and live outdoors. Have a good afternoon, folks.